Yes, finally I got my Samsung M21 from Amazon today. So I had placed order for it around 2 weeks back, and the estimation they had given was around 7th June. But today is 31st, and I got it around a week earlier. So I'm very excited. Let's open it. Yes, finally. See what all is there inside. And I had ordered for blue color, and luckily I got the same color which I ordered. Okay, what else is there? Okay, so this is the fast charger and cable along with it. So basically, in accessories, it's not much. It's just the phone, the fast charger, and the cable. Let's open it respectfully. Okay, great. So I'll be covering the features of the phone in the next video.